Most people lose money in stocks. Not because stocks don't work, but because they don't have a system. Today, I'll show you a simple beginner system that explains how people actually make money in stocks, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. If you're new to stocks and don't know where to start, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand a clear system for making money in stocks, without stress or guessing. Let's break it down. Step 1. Understand how stocks make money. Stocks make money in two ways. First, prices go up over time. Second, some stocks pay dividends, cash paid to you. You don't need to trade daily. You just need time and consistency. Stick around, the next step is where beginners win. Step 2. Buy strong companies or broad funds. Beginners shouldn't guess. Instead of picking random stocks, buy strong companies or broad ETFs. These grow as the economy grows. This lowers risk and removes pressure. Simple choices beat clever picks. Step 3. Invest regularly, not randomly. The biggest secret is consistency. Invest the same amount every month. Markets go up and down, that's normal. Regular investing smooths out bad timing. This is how beginners stay calm and profitable. Step 4. Hold through ups and downs. Stocks will drop sometimes. That's not failure, it's normal. Selling during drops locks in losses. Holding allows recovery and growth. Patience is part of the system. Stick around, this mindset step matters most. Step 5. Ignore short-term noise. News headlines create fear and excitement. Both lead to bad decisions. Long-term investors tune out the noise. They follow their plan, not emotions. Boring investing builds real wealth. Step 6. Add more as income grows. As your income increases, so should your investing. Raises, side hustles, extra cash. More money invested means faster growth. Your system scales with you. Bonus step: what beginners should avoid. Don't chase hot stocks. Don't panic sell. Don't invest money you need soon. Avoiding mistakes matters as much as picking investments. Making money in stocks isn't about being smart, it's about being consistent. Follow a simple system and let time do the work. Which step do you struggle with most? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, And watch our next video, The Boring Path to Real Wealth That Actually Works.